Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Let's take a look at what happened in the markets this week as we close out the first week of April. So, clearly, huge sell off in the indexes. These were our targets to the short side. So, clearly, we need to move those. We can take that as support. That's a really nice level. Look, it came down almost to that level here, and then that's where it finally found support yesterday after just the crazy downfall. So below that, I like that level. And as for longs, now let's see, we're here, let's go there and way up top here. Perfect. So that is the Dow. Something to note though, look what happened last time this dipped well below the cloud and then came back out. Just went on a rampage. And now we have just dipped into the cloud, not passed through it, but dipped in and today now came back out. So you might be interested in taking a look at a longer term opportunity. We'll see what happens. Here is the micro S&P. And for those of you that are new, first off, thanks for being here. Secondly, I usually do these on the micro charts, but the charts look basically the same as the bigger contracts. So you can use the same targets, whether you're trading micro or E-minis. All right, we'll call that good for the micro S&P. Let's move on to the micro NASDAQ. So all of these had some pretty decent recovery today. I mean, they couldn't get it all the way to where they were yesterday, but not terrible by any means. Let's bring this down here. This one didn't even get into the cloud. And just below that there, that's perfect. And that's perfect. We'll keep those same targets. M2K, this is the little baby Russell. Let's bring these guys down. All right, those are your short targets. And for the long, let's see. We'll go here, kind of the same pattern as the other guys, although this one has quite a bit to go to make up for it. All right, here's micro Bitcoin, and not a lot going on today. Bit of a range. I mean, not huge compared to some of these, and didn't really get that much going at all. So this would be target one to the short side. Let's actually do it this way. So it's a little easier to just hold things and kind of get something going. All right, we'll call that good. And we'll bring this down to here. Of course, third target up would be up top here around 75,100. Micro ETH, similar situation. At least this one is green on the day. That's a nice level of support though, the low of the day. And here, we'll basically use this turning line as target one to the high side. And let's see, we can go here as kind of an intermediate. Next up, this area around 3,700. Gold had yet another stellar day, just powering through some of these things. So let's take this one, go back to today's high, and then what is average true range? About 37. So if we're at 50, let's go for about 80-ish as your next target. Again, nice support there from this candle and today's candle. And we can bring this one quite a bit higher as well. Still looking really strong though. It's above everything that counts. And this lagging line is just straight up. All right, taking a look at silver now. Look at silver just flew past our targets from last week. That's hilarious. All right, let's see what we've got. Yeah, I figured there was something a little bit higher. Let's go here. And let's just go up top there. Pretty big wick on the bottom of today's candle. We will use it as support, followed by about 25.1-ish. Let's look at micro copper. We're looking solid. Let's see where we are. Okay, here and here. Similar situation, we'll use that low of today. That's a nice V bottom right there. Goodness. So we'll just keep this one down here, just move it down a scotch, and we'll call that good. Micro crude having a really solid week as well. So we can move this one to here and here, of course, followed by up top here around 93. For the low side, can go there, and that one looks really good. There's a nice little shelf right here for our second level of support. As a heads up, tonight is the last night to save $600 on my How to Get Funded course. That will be taking place live tomorrow morning. I hope to see you there. I'll link you over there if you'd like to check it out. Save 600 is the coupon code that you need. And again, that ends at midnight tonight. Have a great weekend. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.